Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this product useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a par light meter. So this was sent over by a company called GOYOJO. And as you can see, here is the box. The particular model is the GT122 model. Now, once you open it up, naturally, you're going to get some easy to read instructions here. It explains all the settings. We're going to cover a lot of those features right here in the video. You're going to have two different ways to attach the light meter. So as you can see, you have the base station right here. Very easy to control. It's going to take two AAA batteries, and then it's attached to the light meter itself. The little white part is where it is doing the readings. On the back, it does have the ability to mount this on a tripod. So let's say you are utilizing this in a greenhouse environment or more of a static location that you want just a steady tripod on, you can utilize it. Now, I personally utilize this on the go, so I don't really utilize that feature, but it also does come with two different cables. As you can see here, I have the corded kind of curly Q cable itself, or they also include a nice super long one, which is around a little bit under 5 feet long. So this is a great one, once again, if you have this set up on a tripod and you're wanting your remote station further away. They give you that option, whichever one you want to utilize. Now, this thing does do full spectrum. It's going to go all the way down from 400 all the way up to 700. So it captures that full spectrum. It also does a 0 to 4,000 range when utilizing it. The operating temperatures, as long as it is above freezing, so 32 degrees Fahrenheit, all the way up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit is the operation. Very easy to utilize. There is a power button on the side. Simply turn that on, and then it will start reading wherever your light source is. Well, this is great because you can utilize, whether you're utilizing it, how much light is coming out of light fixtures, or maybe you're trying to fine tune the light for certain plants, you can utilize that as well. Now, there is 3 different modes built onto this thing. So there is a mode button. You're simply going to press that, and you're going to go through the 3 options. So the first one is the Cali. That is a calibration mode. So if you need to do like a base setting, you can do that. Then there is the log mode. The log mode is basically going to keep records of this thing. It will allow you to store up to 100 different readings in that log if you wish. Now, if you want to go over to the RCFS mode, that's basically going to reset the mode back to its standard settings. So you can go tweak that. And of course, all that's in the manual itself. And then obviously there is a little record button here at the bottom that will go ahead and when you want to select, like you've made your reading, you can record it and then log it. You can also hold it. So if you do need to set a certain light level, you hit that hold button, a little H will appear at the top. And now you can go and show people what the reading is because it's on the screen itself. To clear it, just hit that hold button again itself. And then when you're calibrating, there is some up and down arrows, so it's easy to adjust. But overall, it's very, very easy to utilize. I'm very happy with it. It works very well as far as figuring out the lighting. Like right now, we're kind of sitting here at sunset, and I'm just barely in the sun, and it's reading around 170 to about 173 is what it's bouncing around through as far as utilizing. But if you are in the market and you're looking for a great little light meter, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it until the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.